What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, I got a delivery today, and delivery I wasn't expecting for quite a while. Today is a very good day. First thing I got to do, I got to run out to the shop and get Dover's truck with the lift gate because it's a little bit heavy. So there's your clue. Let's get out to the shop, swap trucks, go pick this thing up. All right, boys, made it out to the shop and picking up the black truck with the Tommy gate on the back. That's gonna make load and unload super easy. The engine's actually in a crate, well, I say a crate, like a plastic crate type of thing. So yeah, and this may not work. I forgot we had the 4.6 out of the silver car, but we'll see. We'll figure something out here. All right, boys, she is loaded up. I can't believe it actually fit with the 2-valve in there too. But yeah, all right, let's get this beast back to the shop. Get it on the way back. I did read some of your comments about the old engine for Project Two-Tone. Yes, we could have put another crank in it, put new bearings in it. Maybe it would have been okay. We're also looking at going ahead and having the heads redone, and you know, maybe re-ringing it, rehoning it. And at that point, and there's a couple reasons. Number one, we're giving this car away, and I want it to be right. So with this option, you've got a brand new engine with a warranty. Of course, all the paperwork will come with the car. And I know it's right. Now, if it was just for me, yeah, we probably would have slapped something together and been fine. But for, you know, because this car is a giveaway, you know, I just pretty much decided it needed to be right, and now it's right. But anyway, enough of the blabbering. Let's get out to the shop, get this bad boy open. All right. So hold on, let me adjust. Here we go. All right, so brand new engine, full Project Two-Tone. All right, what we got here? Looks like it comes with gaskets. Strip off, see what we're working with. All right, get that. Let's see here. Oh, she's pretty, boys. She's pretty. Brand new oil pump and drive shaft. Let's see. Some instructions and all that, but yes, boys. Ha! Triple X block, Man, brand new effing everything, guys. Brand new everything. I love it. Let's see here, yeah. All the seals are new. So, I'm going to put the timing cover and all that on it. And she's good. It's got all the break-in oil in it. I was wondering about all the lifters and dog bones and push rods, but it's all there. Like, yes, sir. She ready, boys? I'm gonna say I can't tell if it's got an oil pan on it or not because it's sitting down in the crate. Next video, though, we'll have it out and start getting it dressed and get it into Project Two-Tone. Man, I freaking love it. This is nice. Real quick, yeah, I wanted to see what gaskets we got here. Okay, here's all the paperwork. Now, this is not a Jasper engine. Let's see. Remanufactured by non-OE. Tension installer. Recent purchase. My car care quality assurance. Oil pump windage tray. So I'm still not 100% sure who the manufacturer is and how long the warranty is. I believe it's 3 years, 30,000 miles. And Dover may have had that paperwork at the shop. But then here's all the gaskets. Oh, now let's see. Yeah. So good deal. And again, new Melling oil pump, which we actually have another one over there that was gonna go in the car. But I'm pumped, y'all. Yep. Brand new Melling oil pump. Freaking sweet. I love it. Guys, real quick, if you're new to the channel and you're wondering what the giveaway car is, I have a premium subscription on Patreon, which there's a link right down there in the description. And basically what I do is I give away over $1,000 a month in parts, gift cards, swag, all kinds of stuff. And also the car that we're building that this engine is for. So, it's a super good deal. I got 2 tiers, a 20 and a 2. One's just a supporter, one's to get in on the full Monty. Now, the $20 one is limited to 500. We haven't hit 500, but there is still room in there. But if it does hit 500, nobody else can sign up. But that's what this engine is for. That's what the giveaway car is for. That's something that I do for you guys, and you help me back in the process, so it's a win-win for everybody. But that's what this engine is for, and that's what the giveaway cars are. I had a lot of people saying, well, you know, how do I get entered in the giveaway? That's how you do it. All right, guys, so a lot more coming for Project Two-Tone. I'm going to get this engine up on the stand, get everything assembled, and get it ready to go back in the car. Stay tuned to the end of this video, and I'll give you a little bit of a hint as to timeline on this project, because it's not long. And we'll talk about that in a minute. But if you caught the last video and I said pay no attention to that engine, well, guess what? Why would I need another 302? You guessed it, Pop's car. So Dover went down and picked this up from a guy we know. He's been on the channel, Scotty Whitehorn. This is his old motor out of his red car. Now, here's the issue. Said he over revved it. Or a bent push rod. So I'm not concerned about that. Dover wasn't concerned about it. So we're going to put new push rods. We're going to take everything apart and check it. But the car ran great. Had great compression on all cylinders. So this is going to be, barring anything unforeseen, because you know how our luck runs here, the engine for Pop's car. Now, I told you with Pop's car, I was going to try and do a few little things that you wouldn't be able to see to give Pop's car a little extra ass. Well, if you look right there, I'll wait for you guys to answer what those 3 bars mean. Yes, sir. Those are GT40s, not GT40P. The way you can tell is a GT40P will have 4 bars right there. These are basically a 93 Cobra head. Are they going to add a bunch of horsepower? No. They might 15, 20, I don't know. It just kind of depends. Now, this engine does have a cam, and the cam is coming out because Pop's car is not a hot rod, and I want it to run and not have any kind of drivability issues for when the wife and Pops take the car out. But essentially, I'm going to tear this engine down as well and redo everything on it. And this is going to be the engine in Pop's car. This is the one we're going to detail right here on the stand and make it look essentially brand new. So I'm very, very, very excited about that. Pop's car's engine is bad. That's why it doesn't get drove a lot. But she'll have some GT40s hiding. I've got a speed density cam, which are slightly more aggressive, but still a stock cam that we're going to slide in. It does have roller rockers. I might have the lower intake port matched to the heads. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not going crazy, guys. Then I've got the 93 Cobra pulleys from LMR. Those will add a tiny bit. So just a couple here and there from a couple of different mods. And this engine will be very, 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 very strong running little stock, basically stock 302 to drop in Pop's car. Jeez, and as you can see, guys, we have got a full friggin' house going. We've got so many daggone projects going on. If you caught the cam 2 valve video, we'll be driving this in a upcoming video. It had a couple of issues we're trying to get ironed out, but yes, definitely will be driving it very soon. Dover's car is going away. The work continues over here. As you can see, guys, pretty much all the wiring is done. All the assembly under the hood is done. On George's car, we're still waiting to hear from Jennings on what motor he's going to go with, if ever. And we're waiting on transmission on this car. But what I really wanted to do is give you guys a little bit of an update on Project Two-Tone and the timeline for it. I've ran into a multitude of issues because this was going to be a very short project. It was bought to be a very short project, and you know how that stuff goes. In line to have the car resprayed, and there was a lot of cars in front of it. Transmission issues. We'll talk about that later. Wheels back ordered, and now the engine that was junk. Now, realistically, guys, we ordered this engine last week, and they said 4 to 6 weeks, and Dover called me and said, hey, it showed up. And I was like, wow. So very, very, very happy about that. So my goal is no later than Ford Takeover, which is June 10th and 11th, we're giving Two-Tone away. Like, that's the very latest. I don't even care if it's done yet. It should be, but you know how that stuff goes. So Ford Takeover and Two-Tone's going away, and we start another one. Simple as that. Now, on the next one, I'm really thinking about buying a nice car that's pretty well done already off of like Marketplace or eBay or something like that. Doing a very few minor things and repeating the process. 4 to 8 was way too long. It took way too long to get done. Building a car from a shell to a running, driving, full interior notchback, it takes too long. Two-Tone was supposed to be shorter and the best laid plans, if you follow me there. And so basically at this point, I'm looking at buying a nice car that it doesn't need. I mean, maybe we'll tint the windows, swap the headlights, something like that, and, you know, do a little content with it and give it away, because it takes so long. Most of the brands, the YouTube channels that give away cars, they basically bolt on wheels, get the windows tinted, put a supercharger on it, and sell it. And we were trying to do a little bit more, and we keep running into issues and it takes too long, and so we're just not going to do that anymore. So that is the update on Project Two-Tone and the shop. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy the variety. Guys, I'm telling you, we go to no end to try and keep variety on the channel. Like, I don't ever want you to see a video pop up and it be the same old thing. So trying to keep all that moving is kind of it's a chore, but like, I want you to get your F-150 content, your classic F-150 content, your new Edge, your Fox body, your Coyote, your push rod, all of that stuff, from light bolt-ons to major swaps, all of that. So, yeah, we work really hard to do that. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Appreciate it. Lots of projects going on, and you know, it's a revolving thing. That way the variety is always there. So I get people ask, why do you keep doing all these different things? To keep variety. You have to keep variety. You can't keep doing the same thing. Can't be a one-trick pony. And so that's why we do it. But if you enjoy this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, guys. We will catch you on the next one.